Yo, what's up everyone? It's David Logston, we've all been there. You pour your heart into crafting the perfect video, get tons of views, but then you see them, those pesky dislikes. Even my best videos, the ones that make it rain likes, still get some thumbs down. But why? Dislikes are just part of the game. We're gonna dive deep into why people hit that dislike button and why it's not the end of the world. Get ready to unravel the mystery of the dreaded dislike button, because in this video we're conquering it. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the disliked comment in the section below. Dislikes are like that one friend who always has something negative to say, but they show up to every party anyway. They're just part of the YouTube ecosystem. Even the biggest channels, the ones raking in millions of subscribers, get dislikes too. Seriously, go check out any video, even the most universally loved ones like music videos or tutorials. See? Dislikes. YouTube is a massive platform with billions of users, and guess what? Everyone's got an opinion. Not everyone's going to vibe with your style, your content, or maybe even your haircut, and that's totally okay. The sooner you accept that dislikes are just a natural part of the YouTube landscape, the sooner you can stop stressing and focus on creating awesome content for the people who genuinely dig your vibe. Okay, so we know dislikes are inevitable, but let's get inside the minds of our dislikers. Sometimes it's pretty straightforward. Reason number one, they simply disagree with your content. Maybe you shared an unpopular opinion, reviewed a product they hate, or maybe they're just not feeling that particular video. It happens. Then there's the bias factor. Some people might have pre-existing opinions about you, your channel, or even your niche. Maybe they had a bad experience with similar content in the past, or maybe they just don't like your face. Hey, it's a thing. Mismatched expectations can also lead to dislikes. Imagine clicking on a video titled 10 Easy Life Hacks only to find out it's actually a 30-minute tutorial on advanced calculus. Whatever the reason, remember that a dislike doesn't always equal hate. Sometimes it's just a difference of opinion or even an accidental click. Chapter 3. The Silver Lining, Why Dislikes Aren't Always a Bad Thing. Now for the plot twist, dislikes aren't always the enemy. In fact, they can actually be beneficial in some ways. Crazy, right? First off, engagement is engagement. Whether it's a like, a comment, a share, or even a dislike, any interaction with your video tells YouTube's algorithm that people are paying attention. And when the algorithm sees engagement, it's more likely to show your video to a wider audience. So in a way, even dislikes can help boost your visibility. Secondly, dislikes can be a reality check. As creators, it's easy to get caught up in the echo chamber of positive feedback from our loyal fans. But the truth is, not everyone is going to love our work, and that's okay. Even the most successful creators in the world have their fair share of haters. Focus on the people who love your content, not the ones who don't. Finally, dislikes can be a valuable learning opportunity. If you're consistently getting negative feedback on certain types of videos, it might be a sign that you need to switch things up. Chapter 4. Dislike-proof your mindset, how to handle the hate. Alright, so we've established that dislikes are a part of YouTube life, but that doesn't mean they have to ruin your day. Here are some tried and true strategies for dealing with dislikes like a boss. First and foremost, don't take it personally. Remember, a dislike is often more about the viewer than it is about you or your video. Maybe they're having a bad day, maybe they're projecting their own insecurities, or maybe they just really hate the color of your shirt. Whatever the reason, don't let it get to you. Instead of dwelling on the negative, focus on the positive feedback. Read those encouraging comments, engage with your loyal fans, and remind yourself why you started creating content in the first place. If you do notice a sudden spike in dislikes or negative comments, take a step back and analyze the situation. Identifying the root cause can help you address the issue and prevent it from happening again. Chapter 5. Dislikes don't define you. Your journey to YouTube success. As we wrap things up, I want to leave you with this. Dislikes, those tiny thumbs down icons, they don't have the power to define you as a creator. Your passion, your creativity, your unwavering commitment to your audience, those are the things that truly matter. Remember why you started this journey. Was it to chase likes and subscribers, or was it to share your unique voice, connect with like-minded people, and maybe even make a difference in the world? Experiment, take risks, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there, even if it means getting a few virtual thumbs down along the way. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the number of likes or dislikes, it's about the impact you make and the connections you forge. Outro, drop a comment, even if it's a diss track. So there you have it, guys, the lowdown on dislikes and why they don't have to be a big deal. Remember, even with millions of subscribers and views, I still get those thumbs down. It's all part of the game. What matters is that we keep creating awesome content and engaging with our amazing communities. Speaking of engagement, I want to hear from you. What's your take on dislikes? Do they bother you, or do you brush them off like a champ? Let me know in the comments below.